And it's a story of sunny spells and largely dry today, but the outlook turns stormy from the middle of the week. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday, 25th.
Past 4.5 million years that we'll be able to find out about the grounding blocks of life here on Earth, looking at the samples of rocks, looking at if there was water. So it will help to, first of all, tell us everything we need to know about where our planet came from.
At some point in the next, 20 years, something like that?
And last year, a year ago, we had the DART mission, where they landed on an asteroid to help to slowly change its course. And that would be the plan for this one. And we're watching thousands and thousands of these near-Earth asteroids. 99.9% of them are not going to collide with us, but there's a 0.1% chance that they're watching those ones and in future what actions they may need to take to save us.
Tell it to the dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And the weather today.
Back down to Earth. Sunshine, but there's a storm brewing. Yes, make the most of the weather as we head through the next few days because it is set to turn very wet and windy. Southwesterly winds, pleasant temperatures for the next few days. But coming into Wednesday, this deep area of low pressure set to march across the country, bringing with it heavy rain, the isobars close together and strong winds. And we already have warnings from the Met Office for Wednesday and for Thursday for most of the UK for widely gusts of 50 to... Good morning to you. Some autumn sunshine on the cards as we head through the next few days. Make the very most of that because an autumn storm is brewing. Winds are southwesterly, brings in a relatively mild feed of air, but out in the Atlantic, this deep area of low pressure heading towards the UK. Reports has been named Storm Agnes. It's not yet been named by the Met Office. They'll have a meeting later on this morning to see if they go. Not too bad. But how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, the theme is really for this wet and windy weather to move in, but we see a drop in temperature first. Now, at the moment, temperatures sit around about not a little above average across the north of the UK, but after Tuesday, they drop a little and it stays at least average at best as we head through the rest of the 7 days. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Largely dry today. Increased chance of seeing the showers tomorrow, and then on Wednesday, that's when it's set to turn very wet and very windy. Now, fortune is further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Well, temperature-wise, again, we are sitting above average. Some decent spells of sunshine for the next few, and then it turns cooler. Percentage chance of rainfall across the south of the UK. Largely fine tomorrow, slowly an increase in showers. Very wet and very windy on Wednesday and Thursday, but it clears, and actually things look set to return to some sunny skies as we head into the weekend. Good morning to you. Autumn sunshine on the cards as we head through the next few days, but that changes mid-week because we cast our eyes into the Atlantic and a deep area of low pressure building. It's picked up by the jet stream and it arrives across our shores on Wednesday and Thursday, bringing with it potentially some stormy weather. It's not yet been named. That discussion will happen with the... Yes, whatever you're eating today, the sun will be shining. It's a good-looking day ahead. Plenty of sunshine. It's largely dry. I say largely dry. There's some showers at the moment for the northwest of Scotland, Northern Ireland, far northwest of England and far northwest of Wales. But away from here, it's fine with plenty of sunshine. A gentle breeze from the southwest brings up some mild... Good morning to you. It is a good-looking start to the week with some decent spells of sunshine and largely dry. The satellite and radar picks out some showers for the west of Scotland, other northwestern areas of England and Wales, and through the day, they'll move their way eastwards. They actually ease across the northwest of Scotland, becoming more isolated. More sunshine around than yesterday, lighter winds and top temperatures above average, 23 degrees.